Once upon a time, once upon an unfortunate time, there were some hairy things called human beings. Along with them were other hairy beings called animals, birds, and insects. Humans had a larger brain which made them think they were superior to all other species. So human beings started hunting and killing animals and eating them. Even among human beings, some humans, particularly men, thought they were superior to all others. They used their muscle power and become leaders. Some brainy ones started cultivating land and growing food. After a while, these leader men said, "There is no need for us to work. We will make all others work." They made others till the land and made them grow enough food. The leader men took the major share and gave enough to survive to those who did the cultivation. Some tiny animals, birds and insects like rabbits, rats, mice, sparrows, doves, and parrots were caught eating the crops cultivated by men. So the men said, "There are manas, we must kill them." They called them peasants and killed them in addition to the wild animals. In every country, man killed all. What they called wildlife. So on, when human beings, both men and women, multiplied in large numbers, there was storage of food. When there was shortage of food, the leader men and others started killing more animals and birds like eagles, crows, snakes, and even wild animals. They cut down all trees and brought more land for cultivation and making instruments. Forests disappeared. They emptied all lakes and occupied the land to construct their dwelling places. They destroyed mountains to get more minerals and other minerals like granite, marble, stones, etc. All the natural resources disappeared. All animals, birds, and insects disappeared. There was shortage of food, water, fresh air, and even space. Human beings increased, the world became crowded with human beings. There was no space even to lie down, so they had to sleep standing up. They started fighting among themselves. One day, some men saw some new creatures stealing their crops. These creatures were called greedy people, the ones below the poverty line, the uncivilized, beggars, robbers, etc. These creatures are a menace, declared the leader men, and they must be adapted from the little pot boiler by This was adapted from The Little Pot Boiler by Spike Milligan. So this is a once upon a time. This is a short story. It is adapted from The Little Pot Boiler by Spike Milligan. The Little Pot Boiler is the title of the work and which was written by Spike Milligan. Okay, we'll go the explanation of this story. As you all know, as you can find, see, once upon an unfortunate time. So it is being an unfortunate time. The time is not a fortune one. The time is not a lucky one. There's some hairy things. Hairy things is nothing but the full of hair. The body and the face is full of hair. So what are they? Animals, birds, insects, and human beings. In that, human beings had a large brain. So those who have a large, that is the human beings, we have a large brain, so they think they are superior to all other species. For example, all other birds and then trees, animals, etc. So human beings, what they did, they started hunting and killing animals and eating them. So they hunt and they killed the animals and eating. So even among the human beings, some think that they are superior to all others. Because of the muscle power, they become a leader. And some people, those who have a brain, that is a brainy one, means those who have a more intelligent power, they started to cultivate a land and they have grown the food. And while these leader men know there is a no need for us to work, then they have think that we are no need to work, so they have started to get a work from other human beings, like they become their leader and they get a work from other human beings. So they no need to work, only other human beings can work from them. They are getting the work, they become their leaders to those people, and they what they have cultivated from that they will get a more share, and some only few only they will give to the cultivated people. And they what happened, they like a tiny animals, rabbits, rats, mice, these are there, no, they were caught eating the crops cultivated by men. So the men said they are menace. So the birds, the animals, it all goes and it spoils the cultivation. So because of that the leader used to call those creatures as menace, and they have started to kill those things and they name it as a wild animals. So on when human beings are multiplied in a large numbers, there was a shortage of food. So what happened? They started the killing more animals, birds and snakes, like that, wild animals, and they cut the trees and make some instrument. And they have, because of the cultivation, because of the shortage of the food, they want so many lands to be cultivated. So they cut down the all the trees and makes a cultivation land, and with that they have made the instruments, and because of that forest disappear. And they emptied the lakes, they emptied the lakes and occupied the land to construct the dwelling places, to build the places to live. They again emptied the lakes and they destroyed the mountains to get a more minerals and other minerals like granite, marble. They want granite and marble stone, so for that they have destroyed the mountain too. All the natural resources disappeared. So because of that they have destroyed the forest, lakes and all the mountains. And all animals, birds and insects also disappeared because there was a shortage of food, water, fresh air and even space. So because of human beings increased, we have a shortage of food, water, fresh air and even space. The world became crowded with human beings because human beings have become more and more. Because of that it became a crowded. There was no space even to lie down. So they can't lie down and they can't take a rest also. So they had to sleep standing up. They started fighting among themselves. One day some men saw some new creatures stealing their crops. These creatures were called greedy people. The greedy people is nothing but one who doesn't have anything for them. And then the ones below the poverty line, below the poverty line, and the uncivilized and beggars, robbers, etc. So what happened for them also, they given the name as menace. These creatures are all menace. The beggars, robbers, etc. So what happened, because of they are not having anything to eat, they have started to steal from others like crops. These creatures are all menace, declared the leader men, and they must be. So this is the story, and it is the story. Okay. You all can read this glossaries to know the synonyms and antonyms, and you can read and go through the exercise for this short story. That is a once upon a story. That is a once upon a time. That is a short story. And here you can practice the exercise questions. And then if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel. Kindly subscribe the button which is in the down, and give a bell, click on the bell icon, so that you will get each and every prose and short story, what are the things we have, and like and comment me. Thank you.